Hello guys, I hope you're all fine. Today we are here to discuss about Norton Raphson method. So let's get topic. It is a method which is used to solve a system of non-linear algebraic equations which are in the form of f of x equals to 0. Let us consider a set of n non-linear algebraic equations which are fi of x1 to the power of 0, x2 to the power of 0 and so on, which is equals to 0. Here I is equals to 1, 2, and so on n. Whereas if we take the delta x1 to the power of 0, delta x2 to the power of 0 are the respective corrections, then this equation will become like this, like fi of x1 to the power of 0 plus delta x1 to the power of 0, x2 to the power of 0 plus delta x to the power of 0 and so on, which is equals to 0. If we apply Taylor series to this equation, then it will become like this. Here the higher order terms will be neglected. So if write this one in the matrix form, then we can write like this. Here this matrix form can be written as a vector form like this: f to the power of 0 plus j to the power of 0 into delta x to the power of 0, which is equals to 0. Here j is the Jacobian matrix. Let's see this NR method, Norton-Raphson method, in polar coordinates. We know that delta pi equals to pi specified minus pi calculated, which is equals to 0. Let it be equals to 1. Whereas delta qi is equal to qa specified minus qa calculated, which is equals to 0. Let it be equals to 2. Here these two equations can be written in matrix form as like this. Then we will get pi calculated, which is equals to pi, which is equals to sigma k is equal to 1 to n modulus of vi modulus of pk gik cos delta ik plus bik sin delta ik, which is equation 3. Whereas qi also will come. Then the elements of the Jacobian matrix can be found by using these two, by using this one and by using this one. Here the first element of the element of J1 is dou pi by dou delta I, which is equals to minus qi minus bii modulus of vi square. Whereas we can find the another element by using dou pi by dou delta k, which is equals to this one. And also the element of J3 is, we can find it by using dou qi by dou delta I, which is equals to this one, and the next element is dou qi by dou delta k, which is equals to this one. Whereas the element of J2 is, we can find this element by using this formula dou pi by dou modulus of vi into modulus of vi, which is equals to pi plus modulus of vi into gii. Whereas the next one is dou pi by dou modulus of vk into modulus of vk, which is equals to modulus of vk modulus of vi into modulus of vk into gik cos delta ik plus bik sin delta ik. Whereas the element of J4 can be found by formula dou pi by dou vi into modulus of vi, which is equals to qi minus modulus of vi square. Whereas the next one can be found by using this formula dou qi by dou vk into modulus of vk, which is equals to modulus of vi into modulus of vk into gik sin delta ik minus bik cos delta ik. This is all about the Norton-Raphson method. I hope you understand, guys. Thank you.